All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time, On Target play of the day. This is TD Ameritrade Think Pipes in front of you, and we've got 4 screens in front of you. These are our day trading screens. About 10 seconds, the opening bell. These are all 1-minute charts. We have the S&P 500. You can see we're bouncing off of the absolute lows this morning. Then we have our long SYBX and then 2 shorts, Lee and CLF. There is the opening bell, so we'll zoom in on this. Again, the momentum is down this morning, so I'm looking at the shorts a little more so than I am the longs. And I'm looking for something that backs up and then turns around to sell off. So kind of like this. Ooh, this is good here in Cliffs too. So this is going to be a tough entry. 2020 is going to be a high of the day. I'm looking at CLF first, but I might flip to here. Let's flip over this one. So 28 even is the high of the day. So we'll go a 20-cent stop down to 27.60. Did I do that math right? No, I did not. We will do a 27.90 down to a 27.65. It just hit that. I'm not ready to take this yet because I'm dorking up the math. 90 to 27.65. 25. I want to take that, but I want to chill out a second before I do. Okay, plenty of volume. It is chilling out. All right, I'm going to take it this time at 27.65. Yeah, we'll call it 27.60 since I didn't get the exact entry there. So 27.60, we're covering a 30-cent stop all the way up to 27.90. And again, this is short, basically just covering the high of the day in Lee Automotive. Again, that would be profit taking that's going on right now. That causes it to back up, but then we want to take it right back down. 30 cents is about 1%, so it needed to hit about -8 from here. So, and it was just there earlier this morning. So now we go out and go, okay. Got in at 27.60, so 27.30 is our next stop, then 27, and then 26.70 is our exit. So that's your numbers for Lee. You got to be patient, just sit there and let it cook. But have that upper stop in. Obviously, if it hits, it's 27.90 is where the actual stop is. If it hits that, we're out 1 hour, call it a Monday and be done with it. All right. All right, let's check our trade. All right, our trade is in the green. Speaking of being in the green, it's up about half an hour unit, so whatever that is to you. Cliff would have failed, so if you had any entry in here, you'd been busted out of it. So we're in the right one. And again, entry at 27.60. Looking for an exit all the way down at 26.70, so well off the screen, so we'll have to come back to this. Okay. Hey everybody, just wanted to close out the trade on Lee Automotive, LI. If you remember, just to recap, we watched it open here. Again, this is a chart of almost the whole day, so it's not quite as zoomed in as we were earlier, but we watched it open here at 27.60 or so, went all the way up to 27.87. So we drew the high of the day at 27.90. We took it back down to the entry point of 27.60. That's when we purchased our shares. Again, that's a 30-cent stop. So we needed a 1, 2, 3-hour move all the way down to 26.70. Again, we got the 1-hour move right away. Then there was some congestion. And then as throughout the day, it was a selling day all day. It just continued down until finally at 1:25 this afternoon, hit our 3-hour point and our exit point. So nice trade. It also did continue down past that a little bit. So now I just want to close out the trade of the day. Nice 3-hour move. Bye.